Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So are you also capturing your leads from LinkedIn and you want to add that to Google Contacts? Here is a very simple automation setup for you. What I have done here, I'm capturing leads from LinkedIn, and as I capture these leads, I want to create Google Contact. So I have created this setup and we are going to check this once whether it is working fine or not, and then I'm going to show you how you can also create this for your business. I'm going to enter some dummy details here. Now here my campaign is in draft mode in LinkedIn, but when you will be creating a live campaign, your leads will get to fill all the fields. I just get to fill these fields, email and phone number. Rest of the fields are auto filled. I've entered my email address as new@pabblyconnect.com. This is my phone number. First name is Pabbly, last name is this. Company is Magnet Brain Software Tech Private Limited. I'm going to click on the submit. The form submission is done. I'm going to open my Google Contacts and refresh this page once. And here it is, we have created this. If I open this, the name was Pabbly. If I go towards this edit, you can see all the details. This company name was Magnet Brain Software Tech Private Limited. The email address was new@pabblyconnect.com, and the 7676 was the phone number. This is how this automation workflow is going to run. And now to learn how you can also create this, let's start creating this from the scratch. So here in this video, we are going to see how we can connect LinkedIn with Google Contacts in such a manner that whenever we receive a new lead from LinkedIn, automatically it is added to Google Contacts. And for this, we are going to do this using Pabbly Connect. This is the landing page of Pabbly, and you can visit this simply by typing pabbly.com in your browser. After browsing the website, we need to sign into our Pabbly account. On the top right corner, we can see two options: sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on this sign in, and if you are a new user, click on this sign up for free, and this will give you 100 tasks free on monthly basis. You can use these 100 tasks and check whether it fits your business or not, and when you feel ready to upgrade, you can use this code SHUYT to get maximum benefits on your Pabbly yearly and lifetime deal. Once you pay for this lifetime deal, you get access to all the features, that too forever. Here, as I'm an existing user, I'll click on sign in, and here all Pabbly apps page has appeared, which is showing me all the Pabbly applications. I'll click on this Pabbly Connect access now, and I will be landed towards the app dashboard of Pabbly Connect, where I will be able to find all my workflows over here and all the folders which I have created over here. If you want to create a new folder, simply click on this plus icon, and from here you can create a new folder. For now, I want to create a new workflow, for which I need to click on this create workflow, and I'm going to create the workflow from the scratch. First, I'm going to name this. So never lose a LinkedIn lead again. Auto save to Google Contacts, and now I'm going to select the folder. Now these are the folders which have been created. I'm going to select it as LinkedIn automation and then click on create. Here, workflow created successfully. As soon as I click on create, this box has appeared in front of me where I have to enter my trigger application. Now trigger here is basically an event which starts the automation of a workflow. There can be only one trigger step in a workflow, but as many as action steps as you want. Here in this workflow, I want that whenever there is a new lead in LinkedIn, automatically it is created as a contact in my Google Contacts, which means whenever I'm going to receive a new lead from LinkedIn, this complete workflow here will get triggered, because trigger basically activates or triggers any workflow. Here in my trigger application, I will be taking LinkedIn, and following this trigger application in my action application, I will be taking Google Contacts. Here in my trigger application, I've selected LinkedIn, and in my trigger event, I'm going to select lead notification and then click on connect. If you have an existing connection, go with save. If you don't have one, click on this add new connection, then click on this connect with LinkedIn. Now here I have to enter my LinkedIn credentials, after which you have to click on this sign in. You will see LinkedIn will be connected to Pabbly Connect. Here it is. And after the connection is created, you have to select the sponsored account. Now over here, I have these two sponsored accounts, and I'm working on this Pabbly's ad account. So I'm going to select that from this drop down. As I select this account, I have to click on the save and send test request. You will see it will change to waiting for webhook response. And now I need to do a test submission in order to capture the webhook response here in this workflow. In order to do this, I'm going to open my LinkedIn. Here I have created a campaign which is in draft mode. I'm going to open this where I have created a lead gen form. So I'm going to click on this apply now. So when your campaign is in draft mode, you get to fill the two fields only, but when it is in live mode, your leads will get to fill all the fields. Here I am going to enter some details, like I will enter my email address as test358@pabblyconnect.com. Then I will enter my phone number here. So the first name is Pabbly, last name is this dot, company name is MagnetBrain Software Tech Private Limited. I'm going to click on this submit. The form submission is done. I'm going to open my workflow to check whether I've received any response or not. Here, let's wait for the webhook response. So 2 seconds ago, we have captured the response. The email address which we entered was test358@pabblyhuge.com. This was the 87871 was the phone number. The name was Pabbly, last name was this dot, and the company name was MagnetBrain Software Tech Private Limited. Here, as soon as we have submitted the form, we have received that details in this workflow, and this shows the connection setup which we have created is working fine. And now whenever there will be new lead, I will start capturing that response here in this workflow. Moving on towards the next step, whenever I receive a new lead, I want to create a Google contact. I'm going to click on this add new action step, and in my action application, I'm going to search for Google Contacts. In my action event, I am going to select create contact and then click on connect. If you have an existing connection, go with save. If you don't have one, click on this add new connection, then click on this sign in with Google. Choose your Google account with which you have logged in your Google Contacts, and after choosing that account, click on this allow to grant away the permission. Google Contacts is connected with Pabbly Connect, and now I have to enter these details. Now if you are an existing user, you already know that we are not going to enter these details manually. Instead, we are going to map these details, and to map these details, I have to enter slash, go towards this LinkedIn and enter the first name. I have not captured any middle name, so I'm going to skip this and enter the last name. Then I'm going to enter the email work, which is this. Then I'm going to enter the phone number here, which is this, and then I'm going to enter the company in this field. So I have captured only these details. I have entered that, but if you have captured the rest of the details, you can enter following the same process of mapping. You see, I have this gender field. I'm going to toggle on the mapping button and keep this field empty. So I have this URL type also. I'm going to follow the same process, toggle on this button and then keep this field empty. So now over here, mapping is important so that every time you receive a new response, it is taken into consideration in this field. Manually entering the data will make this field static, and the information will not change even when you receive the new response. Over here, if I manually enter any detail, this field will become static, and every time I receive a new response, the result will not change. So as to keep this field dynamic, we use this process mapping instead of manually entering the details. So here I am going to toggle on this anniversary type also and keep this field empty. I'll click on save and send test request. Let's wait for the response. And we have received the response, and this response is a positive one. Let me open my Google Contacts and I'm going to refresh this page. Once you will see that we have created this contact. The name is Pabbly. The email address which we entered, if I go towards the edit, you can see the email address which we entered was test358@pabblyhuge.com, and this is the phone number. Now to summarize, we took LinkedIn as a trigger application where we made connection with Pabbly Connect. We received the new lead and then we wanted to create contact. We took Google Contacts as action application, made connection with Pabbly Connect, entered all the required details, executed this workflow, and finally created the contact. This is how this automation workflow is going to run, and here we have successfully created automation between LinkedIn and Google Contacts using Pabbly Connect. I have attached the link of this workflow in the description so that you can check this out, and you can stay tuned to our channel for learning more such interesting automation. Before you go, if you plan to upgrade, do not forget to use the code SHUYT to get maximum benefits on your Pabbly yearly and lifetime deal. Thanks for watching.
Not only this automation, you can create multiple such automation using Pabbly Connect. Now if you want to know the different plans which Pabbly provide, you can check out the link given over here. If you have any queries, you can mail us at sales@pabbly.com, and if you have any issues, you can comment down this video below and we will try to resolve it as soon as possible. You can subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.